Okay, here we go with round 2, I guess you would call it. Getting ready to make a re-pour. I drilled it out and kind of made a, I don't know what you would call it, like a rim or something where the solder can go down there and make it like a rim or something for it to set in. So I'm going to tape it up here. Hopefully the video ain't upside down like one of my other ones may have been, but let's see what happens here. Wrap my tape up. Oh. Not liking it. I didn't like the way that was sticking on there. I'd like to pack that around a little bit. Get the bifocals on so I can see what I'm doing here. I've been known to not be able to see what I'm doing. What I'm doing now is just trying to, where that tape meets together, makes a little seam. I'm trying to straighten that out, and plus where it seals onto the deer horn down here, around the rim where it's going to be the seal, or where the solder meets the horn. I want that to be very tight, because if not, it wants to leak down in there, like I said before. But this will be round 2. And I think the last time I might have took it off a little prematurely when it was still a little, not maybe quite set up, because I never had that happen before, the way that broke off like that. But try that. Get my safety apparatus on, ready for a pour, and we'll make a re-pour here. Just simply heating up the solder that I had already heated up in there. So you see that little ball in there? That's the ball that broke off. It's melting down. See the black shit on there? That's the impurities. That floats to the top. A little red there. But this is, I'll see when I get this turned off here how it's going to look. See, that's floating around there. All the impurities on the top. All the shit will burn up. When you pour it, the good stuff comes out of the bottom. Now, if you want to, you can scrape some of that stuff out of there. And there's what it looks like. It's just junk. Impurities. But if you look underneath, look how nicely silver that is. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to pour this in here, and we'll see what happens again. This is round number 2. It comes up fast, so I got to be careful. My hole ain't clogged up. Oh, there it goes. Went quick. Oh, we had a blowout. It blew out. Blew out again. But it's actually not too bad here. It blew out, but it kind of blew out okay. Let's see what I mean. Look what happened here. back side of the tape. I think what I need to do was do a double wrap of tape. Was a factor. I should have double wrapped it, which I only did a single wrap. I think that's what I may have messed up on the one pour I did before that blew out like that. I should have double wrapped her up a little bit. But I'm going to see how this turns out here once this cools off, and I might go with this, or I'll redo it again, and we'll make a third attempt. I'm not bashful about making several attempts at stuff. Been doing it for a long time. Now here's some selection of stuff we got to work with. It's not all bad. There is a couple nice knife handles in there. Oh, that's the kind of deer we grow out back. That's out of the backyard there that I just brought in. So a couple whitetails. Oh, look at this one here. I think that's the other half of that one rack. Look at that tine there. Central Pennsylvania. I'm outside of Gettysburg. This is where I'm located. So let me see what happens here with this little pour. I might redo this, and I'll check back in with you if we're going to redo it and make another. Well, I guess it'll be another trial and error video.